hard away, went a bit too far, so wrong. Oh no, open up my soul, but babe, how could I know you're cold? Shame on you.
Hi everyone, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the solid flannel collection from the company store. This solid flannel collection is available in an array of colors. The one shown here is in pewter. It is made of a 5-ounce cotton flannel, and the collection includes flat sheets, fitted sheets, pillowcases, sheet sets, duvet covers, and shams. The flannel sheets are ideal if you want your sheets to feel warm, comfortable, and cozy. I am absolutely a stickler for snuggly and soft covers. The flannel undergoes a unique brushing process that lifts its fibers, creating a plush texture and tiny pockets that trap in the air for insulating warmth. As a result, the flannel is especially popular for bedding during the colder months, or if you're like me and your hubby loves to keep it cold all year long. It's perfect for winter or year-round use for those who prefer a cozy feel or sleep without air conditioning. These can be mixed and layered with many of the company store's bedding collection. And one of the features that I absolutely love about the duvet cover, other than the fact that it's super warm and super cozy, is the fact that it has corner ties that attach to the loops of their comforters in order to hold both the comforter and the duvet securely in place. You guys know there is nothing like a moving comforter on the inside of a duvet. So if you guys are looking for a super soft, cozy, comfortable, and luxurious duvet cover and sheet set, I highly recommend the solid flannel collection. To see more, be sure to check out homedepot.com.
Shame on you, should have seen what you were like, dangerously nice. You got me all lost, so blinded. You got me all lost, listen to my heart. I gotta be lost, survived it. Now you're all gone, my friend. Oh Lord, I guess you fooled me once, but I ain't falling twice. All lies. Oh Lord, I ain't.
So next up, I'm going to add a tray to the bed. I absolutely love adding trays to the guest bedroom bed. For some reason, it makes it feel so much more inviting. And I got this tray at Kirkland's, and I got this plant from Walmart, I believe. And I'm going to add a Wi-Fi sign for the Wi-Fi password as well. We all know it is so important to do that. But the other thing I wanted to add was this cute little candle. It looks like a tree bark. And then I'm going to add a book for height, and then the Wi-Fi sign. And you can definitely write in your Wi-Fi passcode with an erasable marker. I do love that aspect of it as well. Again, I got the sign and the planter from Walmart. The tray came from Kirkland's, and the tree bark candle came from Hobby Lobby. I actually got it on clearance.
Gonna run, my rise has just begun. I'll shine. Shame on you, should have seen what you were like, dangerously nice. You got me all lost, so blind. You got me all lost, listen to my heart. I gotta be lost, so
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more, be sure to visit homedepot.com.